Hey, what's going on everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make ClickBank affiliate marketing sales in 2020 and in 2021. What we're going to be doing is spying on the top 5 ClickBank affiliate marketers, and we're going to be replicating their success. Now, the cool thing about this method is I'm going to show you how to do this with completely free tools. You don't have to pay for any tools at all to kind of spy on the top 5% of ClickBank users. Now, the top 5% of ClickBank affiliate marketers, they're making all the money, guys. So what I'm going to show you how to do is how to spy on their pages, how they're getting traffic, everything. Okay, I'm really excited to show you this, and I'm going to show you how to model their success, right? If we can model what they're doing, we can, hopefully replicate their same results. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to model them, and I'm going to show you how to get sales as fast as possible. Now, this underground method is using something called Google Operators. Okay, and using this method is going to allow us to get results kind of like this here. ClickBank affiliate marketing sales. Okay, now this doesn't only work with ClickBank. This works with any affiliate marketing type business. Okay, I'm really excited to show you this method. And don't worry if this sounds kind of scary, the Google Operators. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. It's very, very simple. I'm going to show you how we can use this and how powerful this is. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of methods on how you can make money online, how you can start an affiliate marketing business. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I was an electrical engineer, hating my job, and I was able to basically build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business within 9 months, and I quit my job and I do this full time now. So anyways, guys, please subscribe to the channel if you're interested in learning more. Now, with this method, you have to go to clickbank.com. All right. Now, if you've never heard of clickbank.com, this is basically a website where you can go and find products to resell. Now, the cool thing about this is affiliate marketing. Okay. You can find these products. You don't own them. You don't have to deal with customer service. And basically, you can promote any of the products out there, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to sign up for a ClickBank account, okay? So you go to sign up here, and then you enter your information, activate your account, and you're good to go, okay? Once you sign up for an account, you're going to want to go to the ClickBank Marketplace, okay? I'm going to show you where that's at. So once you're logged into the ClickBank Marketplace, so it's going to be basically on the top here. So you'll see kind of this little button here, okay? It's going to take you to the marketplace here. Now, typically, if you've seen any of my other videos, I always say to pick a niche and kind of go from there, right? Pick one of these categories that you're interested in. Now, this method works with any niche, any category, so I'm not going to show you how to do that right now. What we're going to be doing is just find the top products, okay? So what you want to do is go and click this button here, which is this magnifying glass, okay? It's going to show you the top products, okay? Now, we can go ahead and promote any of these products, okay? With this method, you really don't need a niche like this. You can promote any of the products that you want to promote, okay? Now, what you want to do is actually click on the actual landing page itself, the actual product itself, and I'm going to show you what we do next, okay? So let's pick this one for example, okay? Steel Bite Pro, okay? Not sure what it is, so I'm going to actually click on it. And it looks like it's, let me see here, do this 60-second dental trick before going to bed. Okay, so it looks like it's in the dental niche, so it's probably a really good niche. You could probably make a lot of money with this. But what we're going to do is we're going to copy the actual URL, okay? So this is the actual URL here, steelbitepro.com. Now, what you want to do is go to a website called similarweb.com, okay? Now, I'm going to show you a little secret here, okay? This is really, really cool. All right, so you're going to go to SimilarWeb. You're going to go to, you're going to type that in, steelbitepro.com. And basically, this website spies on everything, okay? So it's going to show you a few things here, okay? The first one I look for is there a trend, okay? So it looks like there's a trend, which is good. That, I mean, I want to promote something that a lot of people are going to want to buy, and it's trending, okay? So you can see there's the trend, a little bit of a dip here, but not too bad. It's still trending up, but this is not what we're looking for, okay? I mean, this helps, but what we're looking for is this right here, okay? This is gold, guys. This is literally digital gold, all right? Referrals, okay? Because what this tells me is this is all the traffic going to this website, right? So we don't worry about search or anything like that. We're just worried about referrals, right? Because these are the top affiliates making the most money right here, okay? So all these people, especially this one right here, right? 29%. of the traffic going here is coming from this website here, okay? Now, any of these here are going to be, you know, something you'd want to spy on, even 8%, you know, 4%. Any of these are going to be very, very powerful, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to click on these website and we want to find out their landing pages, okay? Now, most of the time, okay, because these people are very smart, okay? Most of the time, these people are hiding their pages here, okay? So like, for example, if I go to Inspired Happiness, okay, just this one right here, I'm going to go to the website here, and most of the time it's going to be hidden, okay? So it is unexpected. It says like you can't find these websites, okay? Like literally, I'm guessing any of these here are probably hidden, okay? See, you can see not secure. It's showing that it's not there. See, there's nothing coming up here, even though I'm going to the website, okay? But that's fine. I'm going to show you how to use Google operators to actually find these websites, okay? So let's try this Inspired Happiness website, okay? Let's just spy on these guys here and let's see what we can find, all right? So I'm going to actually go to their website, Inspired Happiness journal.converttree, whatever, okay? So what you want to do, guys, is you want to go and you want to type in site question mark, okay? Or a site colon, okay? Site colon in front of it, okay? And what it's going to do, it's going to come up with all the pages, okay? It's basically forcing Google, okay, the Google operator, to find all the pages on this website, okay? Now remember, this website is driving tons and tons of traffic to that ClickBank offer, okay? So it's going to give me all the websites here, okay? Now, a lot of the times you'll get like a bunch of different sites here. Most of the time I don't have time to do that, so there's another secret little tip here. What we're going to do is we're going to put plus here, and then basically we're going to type in the actual product, okay? So if I go back here, we know that the product is called Steel Byte, okay? So I'm just gonna put steel and let's see what we find here, okay? So I'm gonna go back over here and type in steel, okay? And basically it's gonna look to see if there's a product here, okay? Or there's a website. So you can see right away that we can find this one here. It says Steel Byte, okay? So this is probably the landing page they're using, okay? Let's find out, okay? So I'm gonna actually go here and we're gonna find out if this is the actual page, okay? So I'm gonna go, there it is, okay? So simple, weird method combats stubborn tooth and gum decay, okay? Like, it's super simple, guys. It looks even kind of ugly, but obviously this is working and they're making a ton of money with this, okay? So we could even test this out and click this here, and it's going directly to the actual product, okay? So we actually tested this out. It's the same exact product, but of course you can see they have their own hop link here, meaning this is their own tracking link, as we can see, okay? So that's the biggest thing, guys. So now that we know their landing page, we can actually model this. I'm gonna show you exactly how we do that, okay? Now, we know that this is working. We know that we can start modeling this. So the next step is to go to a website called site.pro, okay? Now, this is a really cool kind of a ninja hack, okay? So what we're gonna be doing is using this website to basically copy or model this website, and then we can change it up as we need, okay? So what you want to do is create an account here. I already created an account, and basically what you want to do now is create a new website, okay? Now I already have one kind of done already, but basically I'm gonna go ahead and edit website here, okay? So I'm just gonna show you how to do this from scratch, okay? Once you sign up, it's gonna give you some random domain name here, so that's my domain. But what I want to do is edit the website, okay? So what I'm going to do is edit this, and what I'm going to do is actually kind of model or copy that page, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go back over here, and we're going to copy this URL, okay? Now what this website does, what it allows me to do is it allows me to model this website, okay? So as you can see, I've already done it, but I'm going to go to, I'm going to put reset, okay? I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? I'm going to reset this. I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch, okay? So let me pause this, and then let me do this from scratch, guys. Okay, so I'm resetting this, and basically when you start this out from new, it's going to take you to this page here, okay? So what you want to do is import any website. Guys, this is really crazy, okay? So what I can do here is copy that and import, okay? It's literally going to be creating this, and I want to do this in real time so you guys can actually see that this works, okay? So I'll wait a few seconds here. It looks like it's almost done. Basically, it's going to copy the whole website exactly how we see it, okay? So it's dragging and dropping, but what we can do now is actually go in there and change up everything that we want, okay? So what I like to do is maybe change up the title, the description, just a little bit. That way it's kind of it's your product, right? It's your web page. So you want to make sure that, you're not completely copying this. You're modeling it. Yes, it's successful, but we want to copy this in a way where it's your page, right? So this is your page. You're going to model it. I'm not going to change it right now, but what I would do is change up the title a little bit. That way, like I said, it's your page, okay? So the biggest thing though is I want to change this here to my link, okay? So this is the biggest thing, okay? So if I go back to ClickBank, I could go ahead and promote this product, okay? So if I hit promote here, I could grab this link, okay? So I'm going to generate hop link here, and now this is my link, okay? This is my actual link. I can go ahead and add this, okay? So what I want to do here is go back to Site Pro and add this link, okay? So there's a link here, so I can go and type this in, okay? So now the link is here. I could apply, and that's good to go. Oh, it looks like I added it to the wrong area here. Let me fix this real quick. Alright guys, I added the hop link in there for some reason. Basically all you had to do is double click this, and then there's the address here. So I went ahead and added my link, and then now I can apply, okay? So now what I can do is publish this. It's good to go, and now I can literally start sending traffic to this website, right? We already know that this website is ready to go. We already know that it's proven to sell. So all we got to do is start sending traffic, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like, okay? So if I go back, this website here is actually gonna go to that landing page. If I click this here, so now you can see this is my domain. If I click this button here, see, now you can see that this is my hop link, right? Jonathan Montoya 24, okay? So that works. I did it literally in like a few minutes, okay? So super easy. Now, the next thing you gotta do is start sending traffic, right? The holy grail of affiliate marketing is traffic. That's like the number one thing that I get asked, right? And luckily for you, that's what I'm really good at, okay? Now, I have a ton of content on how to get traffic, but today I'm just going to talk about Google Ads, okay? So Google Ads are amazing because what you can do is you can add a very simple search campaign here, right? So I can go over here and create a very simple search campaign for like things like whatever this is, right? So it's a dental product, right? So you could look for people searching for dental products. Obviously here I'm doing the make money online niche. That's usually what I do. You can see I spent just with this keyword right here, I've spent $362. That's giving me 502 clicks, okay? Now what people are gonna do is they're gonna go type in. I don't even know what this product is, to be honest. So let's go take a look at it. Let's go to, okay, so it's a dental health. So dental health product. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Google and see what people are actually typing in. And we can kind of see, okay, here we go, dental health products here. So basically what we can do is create an ad just like this, right? So we can create an ad, and then basically inside the ad, we would add our landing page, right? This is our landing page that we created, this one right here, okay? And then inside the ad, you would target those keywords with people searching for dental products or whatever this product is, right? This was a random product I chose, guys. I highly recommend that you do your research on the products that you're selling, okay, that you're promoting. So, but yeah, Google Ads is a great way to get like instant traffic, right? A great way to like just start generating sales as fast as possible. It does take some money to start this because obviously you got to spend money to get some clicks, to get some conversions. So anything like that, guys, if you want me to do another training on, how to do Google Ads, kind of how to get some very quick sales, let me know. I can do that for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. But I just wanted to show you how to kind of replicate success with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions at all. And guys, if you want to learn If you want the done with you process, if you want to know exactly how I went from 0 to 6 figures, click the first link in the description below, guys. That's going to take you through my complete training on how I went from 0 to 6 figures with affiliate marketing and quit my job. So again, guys, please subscribe to the channel if you found this video valuable, and we'll talk soon. God bless.